Take your seat. Our spiritual advisor, Father Dondon, the young and dynamic Congressman of the 1st District of Samar, Congressman Mel Sarmiento, Police Chief Superintendent Lorly Arroyo, ma'am, and Police Superintendent Guia Villavicencio, Police Superintendent Eusebio Mejos, a good friend of mine, Police Chief Inspector Lito Cabangonan, our local Chief of Police Chief Inspector Eufronio Obong, members of the media, of course, ang atong mga department managers, kanila mga assistant, ang atong konsyalis nga niya na Councilor Mark Aquino, Councilor Verhel Porlave at Verhel Clemens, the Crime Lab family, my fellow kalbayunon mo pa'y adlaw sa atong natanan. Thank you, Superintendent Villavicencio, for your introduction. And I am pleased to be with our local leaders and our officers from the Philippine National Police as we inaugurate the Calbayog City Crime Laboratory. To say that this is an important activity is understatement. Walang duda na ang pagkakaroon ng crime laboratory dito sa ating lungsod, sa Calbayog, ay makakatulong ng malaki sa mga gawain ng ating pulisiya sa kanilang pananatili ng katahimikan at kaayusan, hindi lamang sa ating lungsod, kundi maging sa ibang munisipyo at mga karatig bayan. Talking about peace and order, I think I would like to begin by telling you some nice point about Calbayog and the Philippine National Police. I believe that most of our friends from the PNP already knew about this, but I am happy to mention what I have been telling various groups during my previous speaking engagement, that based on the year 2011 last quarter report of the Philippine National Police Region 8, Calbayog City was cited as the most peaceful city in Region 8. Pasensya po, nakalimutan kong banggitin yung City Director ng DILG. Palakpakan po natin ang Director Lino Laveras. Siguro naman, kahit na sinong mayor ay matutuwa kapag nabigyan ng ganitong pagkakakilala. And I believe that we have to thank not only the Philippine National Police, but most importantly, our constituents who are one with us in bringing about peace in Calbayog. Peace which in the long run will resort to more investors, economic activities, and development, all which will translate to better prospect for our people. Again, Calbayog was reported the most peaceful city in Region 8, and that citation means a lot of things. It means better business environment for our investors as well as for our prospective investors. It means that tourists can enjoy more the attraction that Calbayog has to offer. It means nights of sound sleep for our constituents. And most importantly, that recognition is a manifestation of what cooperation and determination can do. On the other hand, it also means that the PNP Calbayog and the local government unit of Calbayo have more things to do. We will have our hands full as that report tells us that we have to continue our concerted effort to maintain just that, the distinction of being the most peaceful city in Region 8. Yes, being cited as the most peaceful city in our region is a manifestation of what cooperation and determination can do. Kinagagalak ko pong ipaalam sa ating mga panauhin ngayong umaga kung sa mga beauty pageants, mayroon silang gamit ng mga salitang world peace. Dito naman sa Calbayo, mayroon kaming laging sinasabi o ginagamit pero siniseryoso at hindi pinagsasawa ang salita. At yan ay ang salitang stakeholders. Like my predecessor, the former mayor, now Congressman Mel Sarmento, has done, I have espoused one of the trust of the local government unit of Calbayo, which is not just to work for the people, but to work with the people, to work closely with our stakeholders, and the PNP is one of these. In our own modest way, we have extended support to the Philippine National Police. In the case of the Soko Crime Laboratory, we have provided them the office space and some equipments like computers and fixtures. To the local PNP, we have extended assistance in the form of communication equipments, office supplies, rice allowance to our PNP personnel, fuel for vehicles, and earlier this year, in an effort to promote physical well-being, we have provided them with a gym, with basic gym equipments. And so far, our local PNP, headed by Major Leofronio Obong Jr., have helped us score some points in our drive against the bad elements. We have not totally curbed the lawless elements, but we have certainly minimized them. Lesser killings, lesser petty crimes, more apprehension of suspected human traffickers, and yes, high-profile arrest of suspected drug pushers and users. Alam kong di magtatapos ang ating laban kontra sa masasamang elemento, lalo na ngayong lumalaki ang lungsod ng Calbayo. To name a few developments so far, the two big malls that we have earlier reported as go, meaning hindi umaatras, hindi aatras, with the construction of their establishment. A few days ago, I was informed that a mid-sized mall will rise also along Magsaysay Boulevard. And more than a month ago, I was informed that one of the bigger banks in the country, the PS Bank, made a feasibility study on the economic prospects for Calbayo. And that study resulted with Calbayo passing with high colors. How I wish I could say that all this happened because I am the city mayor. But of course, I cannot take credit all to myself. All this came to be because of the concerted effort and the concerned government agencies and our stakeholders, and most importantly, because of peace and order. As I thank the Philippine National Police leadership for opening this crime laboratory in Samar Island, I also pledge to continue our cooperation and our support for the Philippine National Police as we carry on our effort to add another identity for the city of Calbayo, and that is the identity which will tell everyone that Calbayo is also a haven of peace and progress. Lastly, how I wish General Revilla and General Arroyo and their companions can have more time to enjoy the natural wonders of Calbayo. Maybe we can do that in your future visit, kung saan mas pinaganda na namin ang Malahog Beach at ipapasyal ko kayo sa ating nature trail at ipapasubok namin sa inyo ang aming gagawing zipline. In the meantime, let us settle with the wonderful people of Calbayo, and these are the people who fully support all the undertakings of the Philippine National Police. Along with that line, let me repeat my pledge that the local government unit of Calbayo will continue to work hand in hand with the Philippine National Police as we put in place programs to keep peace not only to Calbayo but the whole region as well. Salamat po. Maupay nga aga. God bless us all.
Thank you so much for your generosity, Mayor Aquino.